Hi, I'm Stacy Dunn. I'm here to talk to you about our exciting new product, Neptune Freedom. Neptune Freedom is our 7x48, 22 mil, made in the USA product. It is a 4mm core with a 1mm attached cushion. Now, what I like to do is I like to focus on a little bit why we're different than the other products that are out there in the marketplace. First and foremost is we're made in the USA. Why is that significant? Well, we manufacture here. It takes weeks instead of months. So any product coming from across the water, you're planning on 60, 90, 120 days from order to the time it gets to your door. Here in the US, we can manufacture it in days and even weeks. So short lead times, and we have the capability to handle large projects quickly. Another thing that makes us different is the fact that we use larger prints in our US factory. What that does is it gives us 24 individual boards for a 24 board repeat. Another thing that's different than other products that are out there, our SPC core is a 70% limestone core. You can go 80 feet in both directions, so 80 feet by 80 feet or 6,400 square feet without dropping a transition, which is one of the largest out there in the industry. It has 10 beautiful colors. On the back of our panel, you'll see that there's a QR code. That QR code will take you to the Neptune website. We have a dedicated www.neptuneflooring.com website. The QR code takes you to the website to use a room visualizer to where your consumer can take a picture of their room and then start plugging colors into it.